Hello, my student. How are you? I'm very happy because I continue with our classes, okay? And I have two new friends for you. Yes, two. And they are Sammy, Sammy, mm-mm. Sammy, please. Mm-mm. Sammy, come, say hello to the students. Boo. No, you say hello, please. Hi. Okay, this is good. I'm Black. Black, come here, Black. Okay. Hola. No, in English. Hello. Hello. Okay. My new friends, and they are new students in our classes, okay? You need first copy the date, the topic, performance in your notebook. Okay, teacher. Black! Yes, I copy. Okay. Don't look at me. I don't need to. Sammy. Oh, finish. Okay, you are excellent student. And now continue with that. What is the topic for today? Sport. Oh, sport. I like the sport. Yes, you like the sport? Yes. I like swimming, I am basketball, and volleyball. Yes. Don't worry, Sammy. Excuse me. Step by step. Okay. When you finish to copy that, we continue with the vocabulary. Remember? And vocabulary in the center of your notebook. In the center of your notebook, you write vocabulary. You can use color. Oh, yes, I love the color. Okay. I don't know what to do with you, but continue with my class. Sport. Today is sport. The vocabulary. Okay, the vocabulary. First, you copy in your notebook, skinning, and draw. No. What? It's difficult. Yes, I know, but you draw with your ideas, okay? Okay. No puedo. Please. Ay, la teacher dijo que no tiene que ser igualito. Haces tus dibujos como tú quieras. Ay, Sammy. Okay. Continue. And baseball. Baseball. Okay. Baseball. Small picture. Yes, no big picture. Remember, I love the big picture. No, but you use all the notebook is not necessary. Yes, in one page. Okay. Teacher! What? No. Ay, what happened? Que tienes que hacer los dibujos no tan grandes. Ocupas todo el cuaderno y después se acaba rápido. Okay. Ay, no. Okay. And not very small, no? So teeny. No. Medium. Okay. I understand. Okay. Okay. Continue. Basketball. Oh, I like basketball. You love basketball. Skiing. Okay. Finish? No, teacher. But you can stop the record on the video and you draw. Okay. Sí, sí. Teacher, sí, rápido. Yes, you are very fast. Okay. Continue. Tennis. Oh, I love tennis. And the people say, sorry. Yes, yes. Please continue. Okay, continue. Golf. Okay, this is for the man elegant. Golf. Oh. Ay, Sammy, please. Okay. Volleyball. Volleyball. Yes, yes, please copy. Okay. Only the picture, okay? Yes, here I know. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. Skating. In this case, is ice skating. Okay, like this. Please, Sammy. You know, you are the you are the best student. Okay, and this is for the next class. This video. Okay, and soccer. Oh, soccer. One. And go. Yes, Sammy, please copy in your notebook. Are you okay? Ok, vamos a ver si aprendiste muy bien el vocabulario el día de hoy. Yes, I am very intelligent. Ay, vamos a ver. Mira cómo lo vamos a comprobar con un jueguito. Okay, but you are here. Yeah. Okay, Andy, please read. Black, come here, okay. No, I'm sorry. Okay, with black. Okay, with black. Year number one. Yes, yes, black. Okay, black. Okay. ¿Por qué hablas así tan raro? Okay. Look the picture. A ver, lee, por favor. Black. Look at the picture and choose the correct words. What? ¿Qué? What? Ay, no, mira. Ay, no, así no. Please, respect. Okay. Mira es. Mira la figura y escoges la palabra correcta. Oh, yes, it's very easy. Okay. Ustedes dos, sí. Bueno, okay. Picture number one. Choose volleyball. No. Tennis. Golf. I think it's golf. Okay, black. Continue, Charlie. Charlie, Sammy, I'm sorry. I always confuse the names. Okay. This is what is but it's very easy. Tennis. Okay. Very good. And this Suffering. Yes. Okay. Continue you. Okay. Number four. Number four. I teach it. Okay. Baseball. Baseball. Are you sure baseball? Okay, volleyball. 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 Okay. Volleyball. Hot. Black. Me. Baseball. Baseball. Okay. Okay. And I give you uh, a song. This song. And you review the vocabulary. This is the video. Okay, wait for me one moment. And click here and this. Let's I send you this video and you please in your home review the vocabulary. Okay, teacher. Just say bye to the students. Bye. I love you. Oi. Bye. Bye, students. I love you. And stop the record here.